All right, PEPE USDT Gate.io chart. So I wanted to analyze PEPE really quick because you can see after this massive downtrend was broken, price action got pretty nice, pumped up, and it's now pretty much finding support at this new level right here. So when you look at this level, you can tell that it is very important, right? So from it launched, it had a really nice run up, stopped right around here, price pulled back, and then impulsed and blasted to new highs. But this initial move up created a very important support and resistance zone. So you can actually see this resistance here, blast through it, came down, tested that area as support, lost the level, regained it, and then it held it as support again, lost it, back tested it, and then slowly grinded back down to this support zone, right? Because this is a zone 2 as well. So pretty much hit that support, broke through the downtrend, retested the area, blasted, and now it's right back at this same support zone. Now, like they say, the more times support has been tapped, the weaker it gets. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this play out almost like a Bart Simpson pattern, right? You know, price goes up, chops, and then comes back down. Could happen. If we go ahead and pull our fibs, you're going to see here it's also on a very important level, the 382. You have the 0.5, golden pocket, 786. So I would expect to see some sort of retracement back to this golden pocket area, and as you can see, it is a pretty important support too as well. So if we drew the line across, you'll see price action tapped this area multiple times. This level was lost, back tested multiple times before testing this support. Then it impulse blasted through it, and I think the way how everything looks right now, especially with Bitcoin looking a little weak, if we go up to the Bitcoin charts here, Bitcoin looks like, you know, it's right now below the point of control. It probably wants to come back down and test the value area low here, and if that happens, I would expect to see PEPE move down too as well, right? At least to the golden pocket, which is another support zone. If this is lost, then I would expect price to come back down to these levels. Now, if we go ahead and pull the fixed range volume profile, let's go ahead and see where everything lines up. So more than likely, it's gonna probably touch this area again, right? That's like almost, nothing's guaranteed, but you know, this is most likely what's going to happen. It'll lose the point of control, hit this very important level. A lot of confluence here. You have the horizontal resistance, the 382 value area low. So that's probably going to get hit. If that level is lost, we can just look to the next level down, right? Which is the 0.5. But the strongest level, in my opinion at the moment, is this golden pocket. So what happens if we pull this fixed range volume profile all the way back to here? Let's see how things line up. Point of control, still basically in the same area, value area low, right around here. But then look, there's a lot of volume right here. A lot of volume was traded here, so this is definitely going to be a key support zone because price likes to find the area where volume was traded the most, because that's more than likely where a lot of the stops are. That's where these big players can fill their bags, and you can see the volume drops off, so it's going to be like a vacuum. Price should fall off the cliff here and go right to this next value area, in my opinion, which is right there at the golden pocket, right? So this level right here is just definitely important for PEPE. That could be another, let's see here, 25% drop. If that plays out well and you go to long it, it goes back and reclaims these levels, 25%. If it goes back to highs, it's almost 300%, 268% to the previous all-time high. So PEPE looks like, you know, it wants to do something. It doesn't really know yet, but in my opinion, you go ahead and draw all these levels out, I don't really like that too much, but you get the gist. Kind of a bearish flag. If this breaks down, we know where to watch, which is going to be right around there. And I think that's what's going to be incoming next. I could even go ahead and set myself an alert right above the support. Price hits there, I'm going to be looking to long. You know, we want to see it kind of come down, sweep these lows, gets reclaimed. You want to enter the long here for price impulse higher. So let's watch that over the next few days here. I think Bitcoin dumps this week in my opinion, and yeah, we'll see how this plays out, and I'll be right back. All right, well, thank you for joining. Remember to hit the like and subscribe, and if you want to see a certain coin get analyzed, please go ahead and leave that in the comments below. I have a lot of coins on my list here, okay, on my watch list. So drop a coin down there. Even if it's not on my watch list, go ahead and drop a coin in the comments. I'll definitely 100% do an analysis on it. Alright, I don't really get too many comments anyway, so I'm definitely going to see it and more than likely will do it. Alright, thank you ladies and gentlemen. Take care until next time.